We use the name Synermag because this is a magnesium formulation that has other ingredients that work synergistically with the magnesium. For instance, you'll see taurine, which also has a relaxing effect, and you'll see B6, which actually is required to metabolize magnesium. So these ingredients work together to improve the effectiveness of the product. Synermag is a capsule that you can take at any time of the day. Now there's a couple different popular dosing strategies for Synermag that range between 2 and 6 capsules per day, split up into a couple different servings. Now let me just give you some of the most common examples. Example 1, you can try 2 capsules after your workout and then 2 capsules either at dinner or bedtime. Now, if you're someone who's a little bit bigger, more active, under more stress, a heavy sweater, then you do need more magnesium. So for this person, the example would be up to 3 capsules after your workout and then 3 capsules either at dinner or bedtime. As a third example, you don't have to take it twice per day. Sometimes it's just a little bit inconvenient to do so. And so you can still benefit from taking just 2 or 3 capsules, again, either at dinner time or at bedtime. When we supplement Synermag, we're getting the magnesium that our body needs. Now with Synermag, we're getting 2 different types of highly absorbable magnesium. These are magnesium bisglycinate and magnesium malate. So you actually need to think about these as almost 2 different ingredients. For instance, magnesium malate is magnesium chelated or bonded to malic acid. So what the addition of this malic acid does is it ensures the proper absorption of magnesium. So specifically, it actually grabs the magnesium and carries it with it so that it's fully absorbed. Now, because you're also getting some malic acid with that magnesium, there's some unique benefits to this type of magnesium. And with this one, we see improvements to things like fibromyalgia and even muscle cramping and recovery from exercise. The second type of magnesium, known as magnesium bisglycinate, is magnesium with glycine. Now again, the glycine here is to improve absorption, but it also gives us some unique benefits because of the individual type. Now glycine is an important amino acid that we don't get a lot of from our diet, and it actually has a naturally calming effect throughout the entire body. And in fact, in the brain, glycine promotes something called GABA signaling, and this has a naturally relaxing effect in our central nervous system. And so this right here is one reason why supplementation with Synermag does have a natural calming and relaxing effect and supports sleep quality. Now the other 2 ingredients in Synermag are synergistic with these 2 types of magnesium, which improve the effectiveness of our product. Now we have taurine. Taurine is actually another natural amino acid. Many people think it is stimulatory because it is in Red Bull. This is not the case at all. Taurine has an opposite effect. It's actually in Red Bull to prevent the jitters and anxiety that you would have from the Red Bull if the taurine wasn't there. So again, this is another reason why people feel so good and relaxed after Synermag, because of the natural amino acid taurine. Now last but certainly not least, why Synermag feels different from all other magnesium formulas is the addition of B6. Now B6 is just a regular vitamin, as you know. However, we do need B6 to actually metabolize magnesium, which also ensures the proper mechanism of Synermag. Synermag can be used to support our resilience to stress. And remember, you actually need more magnesium if you're under more stress. Synermag can also support recovery from exercise, and that includes muscle soreness. It also includes replenishing the magnesium that you lost during training, and this is a really important thing for recovery in general. Synermag is also great for sleep quality. This is probably the biggest benefit of Synermag. People tell us all the time that Synermag is so great for sleep. Not only does it help them relax in the evening and get to sleep, but they also wake up feeling more refreshed. And really, this is probably because Synermag provides enough magnesium, which then helps the body to actually lower stress by lowering cortisol and some other stress chemicals. Now, you can experience a number of other benefits from Synermag because of the 300 plus functions of magnesium throughout the body and brain. Some of the most common ones would be an alleviation of cramping, especially muscle cramps. Some people experience improvements to headaches. Other people find improvements to brain function and just everyday well-being. So Synermag is one that absolutely everyone can benefit from because magnesium is so commonly deficient. Now there is some people who maybe need it a little bit more than others. This would definitely be athletes because during exercise, when we sweat, we will lose more magnesium. Remember, you also deplete more magnesium if you're under high loads of stress. So if you're someone who has a very stressful profession or life, you're gonna need more magnesium than others. But other than that, really absolutely anyone can supplement magnesium, and even younger individuals could benefit from supplementation with magnesium. We know that at least in Canada, some of the groups that are most commonly deficient in magnesium are actually teenagers, both boys and girls, and sometimes they're more often deficient than even adults.